So one of the types of blocks that you can go ahead and add in is a video block. So to do that, I can go ahead and let's just go around onto the end and then go around and type right here. And I'm going to press slash and I'm going to type in video. So once you do that, you can see that video is there. So you can go ahead and embed out a link right here, a video link from YouTube, Vimeo, or more, or you can simply upload your own video as well. But the maximum file size is 5 megabytes, as you can see right here. So I can go ahead and choose a video clip that I like. So let's just go ahead and see the file size. So this is 4.11 MB. So let's just go ahead and upload it. And you can see that the video is being uploaded right here, just like this. Once it is uploaded, you can see the video right here, just like this, and you can go ahead and play this out. Another thing that you can do is you can also embed out a YouTube video as well. So for that, I'm going to go around over here, press slash right here, and then I'm going to go around and type in video and then simply select this. Once I do that, over here you can see that embed link is an option. You can simply go ahead and add in YouTube, Vimeo, or other video services right here, and as long as that is supported, you can simply click on embed video and the player will be loaded up right here, as you can see. And this is how you can go ahead and embed out videos onto your pages as well inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.